Hey there, everybody. Thank you for having me over and congratulations on this wonderful event. My name is Benny Nofek, and I'm an Israeli-based entrepreneur and investor laser-focused on accelerating the novel protein industry. Over the last few years, I've had the privilege to work very closely with some of Israel's most promising food tech entrepreneurs. One of them is Leonardo Markovits for More Foods. I've seen Leonardo persevere in his effort to develop a plant-based, clean-label, whole-cut beef strip which delivers a full meaty experience. Using some interesting raw materials, I believe Leonardo is on his way to achieve just that, and I can't wait to see the products roll out globally. Good luck, More Foods.
Hi, my name is Leonardo Markovits. I'm the founder and CEO of More Foods, a company whose mission is to eliminate the use of animals in our food system by creating tasty and novel meat alternative products. A few years ago, I became vegan, and I understood that I want to dedicate all my time and my energy to More Foods' vision. Perhaps you are also looking to reduce or remove meat consumption in your life. One thing is for sure, the trend for plant-based products is significant. So in the next 9 years, it's expected that the market will reach $140 billion revenue every year. And one question you may have is, who's driving this market growth? It's something called flexitarians. Flexitarians are people that are eating meat, but are actively looking to reduce their meat consumption. And just in the US, there's more than 85 million people that fit into this category. However, there's an issue. The current ingredients are not optimal. The three main ingredients driving this industry are the soy protein, the pea protein, and the seitan. The soy protein and the seitan are both major allergens, and they have a somewhat negative perception. The pea protein has a very strong off flavor, and this means it needs to be quite processed in order to remove the off flavor, which means that the availability of the ingredient is lower and the price is higher. So there's clearly an opportunity to use different ingredients for the meat alternative industry. And that's exactly what More Foods is doing. More Foods has figured out how to use the byproducts from the edible oil industry in conjunction with yeast in order to create meat alternative products. For those of you that aren't aware, the edible oil industry produces about 200 million tons of leftover powder, which is high in protein and normally is used as animal feed. At More Foods, we figure out how to use this powder, how to treat it, how to process it, how to texturize it in order to create meat alternative products. You know, it's more than just an idea. We have advanced samples, and in a few months, we'll have a commercial launch of the product. The first product being these beef strips. Look at how it can be cooked. It can be grilled, it can be baked, and it can also be used in many other applications. Pay attention to the juiciness, to the texture, and to the color. We're able to produce this tasty and good-looking product even though our product is clean label, has a short list of ingredients, and contains no major allergens. In fact, our unique selling proposition compared to other companies is based on 4 items. Being non-allergenic, containing a short list of ingredients, being clean label, and having price competitive ingredients. This unique selling proposition will allow us to have a significant presence in both the retail and food service businesses. There really is no need for why we need to use these animals in our food systems. However, for those of you that still miss the texture and the taste that these meats bring, don't worry, More Foods has you covered. We have a range of products we're working on, including lamb strips, pork strips, beef strips, and many other products. We have very positive traction from the market, including tasters, chefs, and retailers, including a multinational European retailer. Now it's a matter of quickly getting to market and having the right team to execute on this. I'm an experienced entrepreneur in a wide range of activities or fields, and the rest of the team has the technical and also the marketing know-how in order to get these products to market. We all share in the ambition and the goal to make a food system that has a lower carbon footprint and is better for the environment. I've put a lot of sweat into More Foods and most of my savings. investors, service providers, ingredient suppliers, and any other party that thinks they can help with the activities and the goals of More Foods, please immediately reach out to me using this contact information. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.